Welcome to Section 3 of Module 4. Building on our historical understanding, we'll now focus on the cutting edge of generative AI. Generative AI is a subset of AI that doesn't just analyze existing data, it creates new content. This could be anything from text, images, and music to code and even product designs. Its purpose is to automate content creation and unlock new creative possibilities. You've already had hands-on experience, and generative AI is rapidly changing many fields. In marketing, it's used to generate ad copy and create personalized content. In art and design, it's used to create unique visuals and even entire virtual worlds. In education, it can help create personalized learning materials. In customer service, it powers chatbots that provide instant support. Now let's take a look at a practical example. I'll demonstrate how to use a generative AI tool to develop a marketing strategy. Let's look back at our data for some product feedback. This spreadsheet shows nearly 500 responses, showing what people bought, the cost of the item, and a sentiment feedback response showing positive, neutral, or negative. So we have a lot of data. For this demonstration, we're going to use ChatGPT for assistance. Just go to the site and upload the spreadsheet at the start of a new thread. Then enter this instruction. Please analyze the sentiment feedback in this Excel file. I'd like a summary of the sentiment distribution overall, broken down by product category and by purchase month. Also include a short written summary of any notable trends or patterns. The output then gives you the overall sentiment distribution, the sentiment by product category, and then the sentiment by purchase month. Along with this, it provides an insight into notable trends and patterns. You can see that I have probed it further and asked, how can I develop a marketing strategy drawing on this data? The output response gives me a 5-step guide. 1. Segment your audience by sentiment. 2. Time campaigns with monthly sentiment trends. 3. Tailor campaigns by product category sentiment. 4. Create content that reflects real feedback. And 5. Use data for A/B testing and performance metrics. Not bad so far. Okay, moving on. You can see that I have now asked, how can I use this data to improve my customer service? Again, it gives me 5 steps. Prioritize negative sentiment categories. Use sentiment trends to forecast support demand. Train staff with real sentiment examples. Build a customer feedback loop. Use sentiment as a KPI. It then adds predictive support. And finishes off with the question, would you like a draft for a training session, a customer service dashboard template, or an email sequence to close feedback loops? I then get it to draft a customer service dashboard template for me, which I can download as a spreadsheet if I wanted to. What about using AI to schedule and create your social media? Well, let's look at a couple of different approaches. First, we'll head back over to ChatGPT, but don't forget you can use any AI platform for these prompts. Here at the Family Foundation, we have ran some successful projects, one of them being the distribution of winter warmer packs to those in need during the colder months. I want to promote this year's winter warmer project through social media, and I want AI to assist me. First of all, let's look at the initial prompt. Act as a professional social media strategist for a UK charity called the Family Foundation. Then I've added the website. This gives a bit more background context. We are launching a project called Winter Warm Packs in November 2025, where we will provide free warm packs, including energy-efficient products and advice sheets on how to save energy and stay warm. This project supports vulnerable people in Carmarthenshire, especially those affected by the cost of living crisis and rising energy prices. Based on this, Create a 4-week social media content plan that includes platform-specific posts for Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and details the following: suggested posting dates and times, captions tailored to each platform, Instagram story, suggestions, TikTok content ideas, visual design descriptions, e.g. Canva-style layouts, suggested hashtags for each platform, tone, friendly, engaging, supportive. Please present the final content plan in an Excel spreadsheet format with columns for date, platform, post type, e.g. story, reel, carousel, caption script, visual description, hashtags and time of post. As you can see, the output gives a great schedule. The content even has emojis integrated. I can now download this as an Excel spreadsheet. So now we have a resource for our social media. But let's not leave it there. Let's head on over to Canva. Canva has a new function called Sheets, and it's pretty cool. Click on Sheets and your new sheet will appear. Go to Uploads and import your spreadsheet. Then click on Replace Current Page. Then all your data will be imported. We could have just created this data in Canva, so let's see how that's done and compare the two. Go back to the dashboard and create a new sheet. Then select Actions, then Generate Table. Then add the prompt we used earlier. Then press Generate. Canva will then produce its version of the same content. Then press Insert. This will then populate the spreadsheet. You can open each spreadsheet in the reading material and decide which one you prefer.